In this video, I'll introduce the tools you'll need to create a SEIKO mod. Most of these tools can be purchased from AliExpress. However, some tools that aren't specifically for watchmaking, like nippers and files, can be found at hardware stores. Before we get to the tools, let's prepare the parts you'll need: a watch case, movement, hands, and dial. For practice, it's a good idea to buy inexpensive parts from AliExpress or eBay. I recommend getting the NH35 movement and compatible case, dial, and hands. Choose a case with the crown at the 3 o'clock position and a 28.5mm dial, which is the most common size. Some sellers offer these items as a set, which is a great option for beginners who might feel unsure. Now, let's go over the necessary tools. With these tools, you should be able to handle most modding tasks. These tools are convenient for beginners making their first mods. Tools highlighted in red are highly recommended. On the other hand, tools highlighted in blue are rarely used, so you can skip them initially. While the quality might not be the best, you can purchase all of these tools for a few dollars each on AliExpress. Start with AliExpress, and once you get more experienced and want better tools, consider buying from watch tool brands like Burgeon. Non-specialized tools. Nitrile gloves. It's recommended to use nitrile gloves to prevent fingerprints on the watch parts. Make sure to use gloves that fit well. Gloves that are too large can hinder precision work. Tweezers. Tweezers are used to handle the movement in and out of the case. Non-metal tweezers are also useful for handling small parts without scratching them. Nippers. Nippers are used to cut the dial feet and adjust the length of the winding stem. Diamond file. The diamond file is used to smooth the cut ends of the dial feet and the winding stem. Thread locker. Thread locker is used to secure the winding stem to the crown after adjusting its length. It's not essential, but without it, the stem might come loose when setting the time. Air blower. An air blower is used to remove dust from the inside of the watch. Dust inside the watch can significantly detract from its appearance, so it's worth the effort for a clean finish. Lens pen. Similarly, a lens pen is used to clean any fingerprints or smudges from the inside of the crystal before closing the case back. Next, the specialized watchmaking tools. Spring bar remover. Not directly related to modding, but useful for removing the strap, making assembly and disassembly easier. Movement holder. While not essential, a movement holder provides stability for delicate tasks like attaching the hands. Dial holder. This tool is less critical but useful for applying stickers to the dial while the dial feet are attached. Cushion pad. This pad serves as a temporary resting place for the movement when placing it into or removing it from the case. Watch hand pusher. This is an essential tool for attaching the hands to the movement. It's inexpensive, so make sure to get one. For attaching GMT hands to the NH34 movement, you might need to buy extra presses and modify them yourself. Watch hands remover. Also essential, the hand remover comes in various types, but a simple 2-prong remover is often the easiest to use. Be sure to use a protective film over the dial when removing hands to avoid scratches. Watch cleaning cray. This type of cray is also sold under the name Rodico by the watch tool brand Burgeon. It is very useful for handling small parts, especially the hands, and for cleaning tiny smudges or dust particles. Gasket O-ring greasing applicator. This tool is used to apply grease to the caseback O-ring, enhancing the watch's water resistance. Watch back case opener closer. A crucial tool. For watches you assemble yourself, a rubber ball might suffice, but for modifying tightly sealed Chinese microbrand watches, a proper caseback opener is necessary. Watch case holder. If the caseback is difficult to open, this tool makes it easier by securely holding the watch in place. Watch Back Press Tool. This tool is used to close snap-on case backs, but it can also be used to remove crystals. Watch Opener Knife. This tool is used to open snap-on case backs. It can also be used to remove the bezel from divers' watch cases. If you're looking to create a detailed mod watch, this tool is essential. That's it for the tool introduction. These non-specialized tools can be found affordably at hardware stores. For the specialized tools, I recommend starting with inexpensive ones from AliExpress, as branded tools can be quite expensive. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any tool recommendations, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.